We have a chance to see how Jennifer and James Crumbley reacted when they found out their son was responsible for the Oxford High School shooting.
This as we're in day 3 of the trial of Jennifer Crumbley. Both parents charged with involuntary manslaughter in connection with their son's actions. Mara McDonald is live from the newsroom tonight. Mara, a veteran detective describes their behavior as quote-unquote atypical.
He sure does, Kimberly, and it's very interesting. He wasn't allowed to expound on what he meant. It led to a kind of heated exchange in court. Let me show you. This is Sheriff's Department video. Jennifer and James Crumbley are on it, in with detectives immediately following the Oxford school shooting and finding out their son was responsible and had been taken into custody. Now, the sheriffs start asking, what could have led to this? Jennifer Crumbley speaks.
Do you think we should probably have a lawyer? That's up to you. I think we probably should have a lawyer. I think we can speak to the cops.
Her husband, James, tells the detectives he's freaking out over the news and continues to answer their questions. When they are allowed to see their son, they enter the room and just stare at him. Nothing is said until they leave.
Why?
I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you.
After that video was shown in court, prosecutors wanted to hear the detectives' thoughts on the Crumbleys' behavior.
And you described the defendant's demeanor as atypical.
Correct.
Okay, and tell us why.
Your Honor, I would object as to this witness's opinion when the jury can see what's in the video. Every person in life reacts differently.
Jennifer Crumbley's attorney, Shannon Smith, was successful in shutting down that line of questioning. Back here live, the other thing that was interesting in court today, we heard from the counselor at Oxford High School who dealt with the shooter, who said that there were all sorts of red flags weeks and months ahead of time. And after the decision was made to allow him back into class, he was asked, okay, so what was your follow-up plan? And he told the court that he was going to talk to the student the next day. And if his parents hadn't made any sort of psychological help available to him, he was going to call Child Protective Services. We're live in the newsroom. I'm Mara McDonald, Local 4.
All right, Mara, and you can tune in to live testimony anytime during the trial on Local 4 Plus and our website. We're streaming it all on clickondetroit.com. Also bringing you expert analysis during the case. If you don't have Local 4 Plus, download the app wherever you stream your news content.